Hey YouTubers, more Robb. Guys, we're talking about refrigerator gardening. Hey, here's some Vidalia onions. When it started to sprouting, I put it in a plastic bag. It's growing real good. Here's another one that's going to be okay. This morning I'm making a little omelet. Going to be potatoes, egg, cheese, some fish, little canned herring, and little garlic powder, and onion. You might want to try this. If you're someplace that doesn't have access to gardening, and you're lazy, you can get you a plastic bag and some onions, and you're good to go. I'll show you what this looks like when I'm done. Okay, about 10-15 minutes, I added the egg and the cheese. And this is what we got going. The eggs in the middle, cheese on top. Let's see if we can get this on a plate. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, everybody else, we got us some fish, potatoes, cheese, onion, and a little bit of spices. I thought I'd try some cocktail sauce. Have not done that before. We'll find out. All right, guys, take care. See you out there.